Veer Bhagat Singh is considered one of the most influential revolutionaries of the Indian nationalist movement. He met with many revolutionary organizations and made a great contribution to the Indian national movement. Bhagat Singh was born on September 27, 1907 in Banga, Layalpur district. The feeling of patriotism developed in the heart of Bhagat Singh since childhood. At a very young age, Bhagat Singh joined Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement and very bravely he challenged the British Army. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre on 13th April 1919 had a great impact on the child mind of Bhagat Singh. Seeing this inhuman act, his mind started thinking of getting the country free. Bhagat Singh was very influential with Kartar Singh Sarba and Lala Lajpat Rai. Bhagat Singh shot and killed British officer J.P. Saunders in Lahore to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. Bhagat Singh Ji on 9th April in 1929, together with revolutionary partner Battukeshwar Dutt, he opposed the Trade Dispute Act by bursting bombs in Parliament. After throwing the bomb, both of them also gave their arrest there. He did not like bloodshed, but he was supporter of leftist ideology. Bhagat Singh strongly opposed the atrocities and exploitation of laborers by the British. During the freedom struggle, the slogan Inqilab Zindabad, which means Hell Revolution, was given by Bhagat Singh. He was in jail for about 2 years. During this time, he used to express his revolutionary thoughts by writing articles. He believed that his martyrdom would further bewilder the Indian people, and this could hardly happen if he was alive. For this reason, he refused to write an apology to British rule, even after being sentenced to death. Bhagat Singh and his two companions, Sukhdev and Rajguru, were hanged on 23rd March 1931 at around 7:33 in the evening. Bhagat Singh was only 23 years old then. Rajguru and Sukhdev, along with Bhagat Singh, sacrificed their lives with the smile on face and singing patriotic songs for the freedom of Mother India, which is an unusual martyrdom and for which all Indians feel proud. We should respect these freedom fighters from the heart and bow down to their martyrdom. These brave revolutionaries will forever remain immortal in the hearts of Indians for this martyrdom. Inqilab Zindabad.